Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. And I was sent a product free for review. This is something you can get on Amazon. It is, this is the box. The brand is G Home Smart Wall Outlet USB Plug. It provides home automation. It saves energy and reduces your power bills. So this is what the box looks like. Very well packaged. Very nice box here. It does come with some instructional manuals because you can get an app to work it. Excuse me. And then this is what it looks like. It comes in white and it comes in black. And here is your 3-prong plug to go into your outlet against the wall. And then there are 6 plugs, smart plugs, on this side. There are, let's see what it says. There's some that are always on, and then there's some that you can control via app to work, you know, like to turn your lamps on and things like that. I'm not really technically very good at things like that, but I do have stuff that, you know, this can be worked with. If I say her name, she's going to start talking to us, you know, Alexa, and also with Google Assistant. So Alexa and Google Assistant. See, she starts talking to us. So the G Home Smart Wall USB Plug offers an affordable and easy-to-use solution for remotely controlling up to 6 appliances. It includes 3 smart USB sockets and integrates seamlessly with both Alexa and Google Assistant. The G Home Smart has been producing affordable routers and power line adapters for over 2 decades and has since expanded its product range to include some of the best smart plug devices available today. Their range includes top-rated smart switches, light bulbs, and plugs. So it's very simple to use, it says. There's 3, like I said, 3 smart plugs, and then 3 smart USB ports, and 3 always-on sockets. That's nice. There's a little light here, it says always on, and those are these 3 over here. And it works with your other products. Here are your USB ports. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you that. Excuse me. So this is really, really neat. Comes in handy. Even someone like me that's not very technically inclined, I can still figure this out. So you can charge things here. You can charge things here. And like I said, you can have things in here that you can, you know, like a lamp, turn on a lamp. And I know there's so many other things you can do with it, y'all. And, you know, techies know more than I do about these kinds of things. But it's really nice, compact. And they have a great reputation. They've been around 20 years. Now, I will tell you, this comes in, I have white. It comes in black as well. Also, when you look at the link that I'll have below, the Amazon link, there are different variety packs you can get. This is just a single item. They also have little variety packs with other types of plugs that'll, you know, like combination kind of deals also. And it's very affordable, very reasonable. And it's nice to have. I have some things like this that I have used, and I will be using this one. And I like to be able to have my lights come on at a certain time, especially if I know I'm going to be late coming home. And then that way people don't necessarily know that you're not home, you know, so you can turn on your living room lights and your bedroom lights and different lights around the house and stuff like that. It comes in handy. So again, it works with your Alexa and your Google Assistant with easy setup and can customize its name. If you don't, I don't know about Google Assistant. I don't know much about that, but I know with Alexa, you can change her name if you, you know, if you want to have different names for different appliances or different outlets, if you will. And in that way, like you know, if you have one in your kitchen, one in your bedroom, one in your living room, you can call it different names. That way you can, you know, tell it to do different things. And also then with the app, then you can, when you're not home, you can tell it what to do. So it says smart plug with USB ports, allows you to charge multiple devices at once, such as smartphones, smartwatches, and earbuds. That's very handy to be able to charge a bunch of things at once. And the smart outlets provide peace of mind by allowing you to remotely control your appliances. The Wi-Fi plug integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling voice control. Setting up the plugs is simple, requiring only a Wi-Fi connection and the app. Users can turn appliances on and off, set timers and schedules for the Alexa smart plugs, and group it with other G-Home smart devices for convenient control of multiple devices such as security cameras, your thermostats, lamps, etc. See, that's what I mean. I am not that technically inclined. I have a lamp. I have 2 lamps. I have some of the smart plugs, the Alexa smart plugs. I have what are they called? I just forgot the name of them. The things that you get from Amazon. I've got one, it's round, and you can talk to it, and she is Alexa. And then I have one, that's the one in my kitchen here. I can't remember what it's called, y'all, the item. And then one in my bedroom that has a screen on it, so you can watch things, you can connect with family and things like that. So this is the type of plug that works well with all of those kind of products. I know that like Google Play has like towers and all kinds of things, and they'll work well with this. So once set up, the app allows you to create groups of devices to control multiple gadgets at once and set schedules for when the plug should be switched on and off. Additionally, the Scenes tab allows to automate multiple smart home devices simultaneously. Make your household a little more energy efficient and save money on your power bill. If you can turn your lights on and off like that and other things, then you will save money on your power bill. So I thought this was a really nice gadget. And here is the box again. Let me show you because it's very nicely packaged. And it is called, the brand is G-Home Smart Wall Outlet USB Plug. Okay. And let me see. It's an easy setup. And if I can set it up, you can set it up, because like I said, I'm no techie, and I can set it up. So there it is. Thank you all for stopping by to see this product. And I'll have the link below if you're interested in it. And like I said, when you go to look at it, you'll see it in white and black, and then you'll see some other sets as well, in case you need more than just one. They have like these other little bars and things that, to hook up all your stuff. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.